Humility is the strongest weapon against pride. Ayaw ni God ng mayabang, and God opposes the proud but shows favor to the humble. That is from James 4:6. Siguro kasi ang kayabangan o pride ay ugat ng lahat ng kasamaan at sin sa mundo. Remember, after all, it was because of Satan's pride na naging rason kung bakit siya naging rebelde kay God. Kasi gusto niya to exalt himself and wanted to be like God. That's from the book of Revelation. And also, meron din sa book of Genesis kung saan naman because of pride ni Eve na gusto niya magkaroon ng kaalaman like God ay kinagat ni Eve ang kanyang o ang pinagbabawal na prutas ni God. Now, since then, galit na galit si God sa pride na hanggang sa New Testament ay patuloy na mensahe ni Jesus from Matthew 18:4, whoever humbles himself like the child is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven. In short, pride is equivalent to rebellion. Kaya siguro may tinatawag tayo ngayon na Pride Month because of the rebellion of some people against their own genders na si God mismo ang nagbigay. Now, don't get me wrong, for I truly respect everyone's right and freedom of choices. But remember, God gave us the freedom according to His truth and will. And that's for another conversation to tell for sure. But my point is that let's all have this moment where we assess our heart regularly, because as a Christian, it should be rooted in humility like Jesus. Humility to the point na i-obey mo at i-surrender mo ang iyong flesh para sa kanyang kapakanan at para sa kanyang kagustuhan. Now, look at Jesus, diba? He washes the disciples' feet knowing that He is a prince and He is the king, but He also did that. So, again, it's a continuous conviction sa akin din. Kasi madalas I fed my flesh, I glorify myself instead of glorifying God, and I know parati rin akong nagkakasala dito sa pride na ito. Now, ito ang lagi kong pinagdarasal kay God. God, deliver me from that evil man myself. Kasi alam ko na isa sa pinakamatinding kaaway ko is ang aking sarili, lalo na ang aking heart, because what comes out of the mouth proceeds from the heart, for out of the heart affects the words we speak. That's from Matthew 15:8-19. Now, let us all guard our heart and make sure it is humility lives in there.